Hey guys, Sorin here. So what is refresh rate? Simply put, refresh rate refers to the number of times a display refreshes the images it shows per second. So a panel with 60 Hz and a 60 refresh rate, it will refresh its image 60 times per second. Compare it to the movie industry. We have movies that are shot at 24 FPS. That means 24 different images are shown per second. Similarly to this, on a computer display with 60 Hz, we have 60 images that are shown per second. But when talking about displays, this differs from the movie industry, as displays refresh the image even if no pixel has ever changed. That's just how displays work, and that's why they seem so fluid when running at something at 60 FPS or even more if the display supports it. Now, talking about FPSs, let's say you have a game that runs at 90 FPS, but your computer screen can only output 60 Hz, so it has a refresh rate of 60. In such scenarios, when the computer delivers data faster than the monitor can process, you will have the phenomenon called screen tearing, when bits of image seem to be broken. Now, this can be fixed with stuff like Vsync or even variable adaptive refresh rate, or how companies like to call it in case of NVIDIA, G-Sync or AMD FreeSync. This technology basically need a monitor that supports that technology, and that means the following thing. The monitor can communicate with the GPU and tell it how each other communicates with itself, and they know what refresh rate to expect. So if your GPU can run 88 frames per second, your monitor will adjust to that to prevent screen tearing and other unwanted artifacts. Similarly, if you can cap 120 Hz and that is the monitor's max refresh rate, you will run the game just smoothly. Basically, it's a new advanced technology to avoid artifacts on screen, especially when we deal with high performance computers and medium to low end monitors, in my opinion. I don't see G-Sync or FreeSync as mandatory in gaming, but I guess that's just my opinion. So what about the opposite scenario? You have an 120 Hz display, so it has a refresh rate of 120, but your computer can only go up to, I don't know, 70 frame rate, 70 FPS per second. Well, in that case, you won't see tearing or anything, but you will not see the full capability of your display. The image will not appear as smoothly as he could render it. So, in my opinion, if that is the case, just invest in better hardware and then a better monitor. That's how I like to do it. Just my opinion. And what about TVs? There are some TVs out there that advertise 400 Hz. I mean, those are not real Hertz. I know it sounds stupid, but TVs are not meant for gaming and real-time action stuff. They are made for streaming videos or watching videos and movies. That means that the TV has some post-processing stuff that it can do additionally in order to make the image appear more smoothly. So it's kind of like this. It has, let's say, 60 Hz, but it mimics through post-processing effects a fluid image just like you would have 400 Hz. That causes input lag. And that's something we don't want as gamers. If you don't know what input lag is, check the following video at the end of this video. If this explanation was useful, don't forget to subscribe to TechieShow, give this video a like, and tell me what other videos like this would you like to see in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.